Keep your Buick's infotainment system current with two main methods, over-the-air and USB updates. OTA updates are wireless, using your car's cellular or Wi-Fi connection to download software, map, and app updates automatically. Most 2019 and newer Buicks support OTA, especially with the Buick Infotainment 3.0 system. For older models or areas with poor connectivity, USB updates are available. To perform a USB update, download the update files onto a 32 gigabytes or larger USB drive formatted as FAT32. Plug it into your Buick's USB port and follow the on-screen instructions. Always ensure your car is parked and the ignition is on during any update to avoid interruptions. Back up your data before any update. Buick's navigation system uses HERE maps, which receive quarterly updates via OTA to reflect road changes and real-time traffic. In select trims, Google Maps is an option. For CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless support is standard in 2023 Plus models, enabling seamless integration with your smartphone. To keep your maps current, regularly accept OTA updates or manually update via USB. For CarPlay and Android Auto, ensure your phone's operating system, iOS or Android, is up to date to maintain compatibility. Buick has partnered with Apple and Google to improve haptic feedback, gesture controls, and split-screen multitasking. By keeping all components updated, you ensure optimal performance and access to the latest features in your Buick's infotainment system. Check your vehicle's settings under Vehicle, Software Information to verify current versions.